Okay, today we'll do exercise 1 on page 100. أنا بدي أشتغل exercise 1 2 3 اليوم today بس لحتى نمكن فكرة الفاكتورايز قبل ما ننتقل ل remarkable identity. Okay. طيب in exercise 1 factorize each of the following expressions. هلا باكسرسايز 1 بتشوفوا انه الكومن فاكتور شو هو بالكل coefficient. Coefficient يعني number. Part 1 we have 42 minus 6x. So what is the common factor? أكيد بدنا ناخذ ال GCD ال greatest common divisor. 42 في بقلبها 6 of course لأن هي 6 times 7 يعني فيني آخذ ال 6 as a common factor ضل في عندي 7 minus x. Great. 2 35a minus 7b. Also, is 35 contains 7? Yes, of course. It's 7 times 5. So which is equal to 7 as a common factor. 5a minus b. Part 3. 48b plus 8. كمان is 48 contains a? Of course, yes.
Yeah.
As a common factor. Now, what is the number multiplied by 8 gives 48?
6.
6, very good. 6b plus. Now, finally, is عملنا أخذنا ال 8 on 8 divided by 8, so it's what? 1. This is first with respect to the first 3 in exercise 1. Hurry up writing to continue the rest. Clear? Everything is clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Who's still writing? No one? Okay. Part 4. We have 8a plus 24b minus 16. Similarly, first of all, I need the common factor between the 3 now.
8.
So it is 8, yes, exactly. A plus, since 24, it's 8 times the 3, so we get 3b. And 16, it's 8 minus 2, still have what? 2. 5, 15a minus 45b plus 30. Now, what is the
15.
greatest common divisor between the 3 number? It's 15, yes, exactly. 15 as a common factor. Why? Because 45 contains 15 and also 30. A minus what a number multiplied by 15 get 45? It's
3.
3. 3 times, yes, exactly. So 30, which is what? Which is 2.
2.
Okay. Finally, the last one, part 6. 20.8 x minus 5.2y plus 10.4.
5.2.
Yeah, exactly. So it's 5.2 as a common factor. So if you divide 20.8 in your calculator by 5.2, you get 4 minus here y لأن أخذنا 5.2 and 10.4 divided by 5.2, which is what finally 2. This is everything about exercise 1. Now we will move to do exercise 2. يلا hurry up. Any question?
No.
No.
Okay, I will erase. Now exercise 2 on the same page 100. Here now the common factor is what variable? The first one, 2x minus ax. Now what is the common factor? Of course, it's x.
X.
2
2
minus
minus A.
part 2. We have a3 plus 5a.
A.
So of course,
A common factor.
our exponent يعني a. So إذا أخذنا من ال a3a, we still have a square plus 5. Great. Right. Let's continue. 3, 2, a, 3 plus
A
3a
square.
squared. Daiما with respect to the
common
variable,
factor A square.
the lower exponent. So here the lower exponent is a square. So إذا أخذنا من ال a3a square بضل في عندي 1a plus what? Plus 3. 2a plus 3 common factor. Okay. Any question?
No.
Okay. Hurry up writing to continue the rest. لسه غايب. قول صوته مش مبين. كان ده اشمعنى رافي وراني؟
أستاذ رافي موجود اسمه.
علي أيوب
موجود. أستاذ ب exercise 3 عندنا ال common factor variable و coefficient.
Yes, it's monomial, yeah. Yeah, let's continue. Four. Do we have? We have 2ax plus 3ab plus a squared c. Simply, now all of them contains a, but of course now we need to take the lower one, okay, the smaller one. So we have a squared, so of course we can take just a, 1a. So if we take a from the first term, we still have 2x. From the second one, it's a 3b. From the last one, we have a squared. Take from it a, so we still of course have 1a, and what finally? C. Okay. Part 5, 4x squared minus 5yx plus 4x. Similarly, so
common factor x.
x appears in 3, so x as a common factor. So with respect to the first term, we have x squared. Take from it x, so we still have 1x, so it's 4x minus 5y plus what finally? 4. The last one of exercise 2, part 6, we have 5a squared plus 3a squared b minus 2a squared c. So here we have what? A squared, a squared, a squared in the 3 terms, so we can take a squared. Okay? Up in a bracket, so 5 plus 3b minus 2c. Everything is clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Mr. Writing. Okay. Exercise 3. Also on page 100. Exercise 3 is the combination between 1 and 2. Of 1 and 2. Okay. So here the common factor is monomial, meaning that its coefficient is variable at the same time. Part 1. So pay attention well. 16 x3 minus 32 x squared. So first of all, the first step you need to do، يعني هون الاكسرسايز عم يفرجيك انت شو لازم تشتغل. يعني دائما بالكومن فاكتور بدك تشوف كل البوسيبيليتيز. يعني اول شيء فكر بالكوفيشنتس 16 and 32 في بيناتهم common factor هيك بتقول
16.
اها we can
Do
take
we have
16.
x square?
Okay, why? Because 32 هي 16 times 2. Great. طيب هلا كمان عم اقول لك with respect to the variables look for also the variables is there is common between them.
Square.
x3 and x squared, yes, we can take x بس شو lower exponent between them يعني هي x squared. Okay, great. طيب هلا بس تاخذوا all the common factor up in the bracket تشوف الرست اكيد رح تحطهم انت inside the two brackets انت هذا الفاكتور. So 16 take it as a common factor, x squared take from x3 x squared, so we still have just 1x
Minus 2.
32 divided by 16, so it's 2 x squared taken sorry معناتها ضل في عندي شو to just. Great. Part 2 11 x squared minus 121x. Similarly, between the coefficient 11 and 121, so أكيد لازم تعرف إنه دايما 121 it's 11 squared, it's 11 by 11. So we can take 11. With respect to the variables x squared and x, also we can take what? X. أكيد smaller, دايما بتاخدوا صغيرة. هلا from the first term, if we take 11x, so what we still have just
X.
x.
Minus
Second
11.
121 divided by 11, it's 11. X taken, so ما عادش ضل في عندي شيء. Just 11. Clear?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Finish writing also. Part 3. C equal 21 a squared y minus 14 ay squared. Okay, pay attention. So أول شيء with respect to the coefficient 21 and 14 اثنيناتهم
14.
multiple of 7.
7.
No, not 14. Both are multiples of 7. A square and A, we can take A. Y square, also we can take just Y. Okay? طيب. هلا بدي اشوف اكيد الرest بدي احطهم inside the brackets. First of all, with respect to the coefficient 21 اكيد راح يضل
7
لنا
times 3
times 3. A squared اخذنا منها A ضل في A. Y اخذناها nothing. Minus 14.
7 times 2 فبصير 2.
ضل في عندي 2. A taken. Okay. Y square اخذنا منها Y, so we still have Y. 4. 24. A3 plus 8 A squared plus 16A. Similarly, first of all, أكيد هلا نحن الكومن فاكتور ما ناخده من 3. ماشي؟ يعني ما يعني مثلا for an example هون مثلا مين الكومن coefficient between them؟ 24 وال 8 وال 16 it's 8. يمكن تلاقي another common factor يمكن يكون between the two. اوكي بس الثيرد one هو ما موجود معهم. لا ما فيك تاخده. يعني for an example رح توضح لك الفكره اكثر. suppose اخذت انت مثلا ال 18 whole coefficient وال 12 وال 9 for an example. مثلا ال common factor between the three اجباري بدك تاخذه between the three. اوكي so ال 18 وال 12 مثلا بتلاقي انه شو في اكثر
2
18
3
and 12
6
just 3 في 6 ما في 6 also بس 6 times 3 و 6 times 2 بس بال 9 there is no 6 ساعتها ما فيك تاخذ ال 6 فهمتوا؟ مثلا اذا بتشوف انت كمان also between 9 and 18 there is 9 9 times 2 and 9 بس ب 12 ما في عندي 9 common factor ساعتها ما فيك تاخذ ال 9. So just the common factor between now for with respect to these three numbers is what is the 3 and on all of them contains what 3. Okay so كرمال هيك ما انتبه دائما الكوفيشنت اللي انت رح تاخده. يعني هلا هون 24 8 16 all of them in the multiples of what of 8 يعني we can take 8 هون الان 8 times 3 sorry من missing the variable a3 a square and a من هي lower one
A.
a just okay so 3a squared plus a plus 2 okay five we have 15 b3 minus 30 b squared plus 15b. Similarly, 30 means 15. So we can take 15 من 3. b3 b square b أكيد بقى ناخد smaller one حتى أقدر أخدها من 3. So b. هلا b squared minus 2b plus 1. هلا هون الفاكتورايزد ما خلص. فاكتورايز ما خلص. ليه؟
بعد عنا B and B.
لا ما تضيع. ما انت اذا بدك تاخذي بي اجباري بده يكون بالثيرد وان في بي.
ايه
بس هي remarkable identity. اوكي الانسر للبارت 5 رح تكتبوه وبعدين بنرجع رح تعرفوا ليش صار هيك. So الانسر لها هي بتطلع 15b into b minus 1 squared. It's perfect square of remarkable identity. Okay, نحن بعد ما عملنا لها explanation of factorized using remarkable rules So بس اكتبوا الانسر، هذا الانسر لها correct one. اوكي، وهيدي كثير بتجي بالامتحان وكثير important، يعني هي مثل بتجي tricky part. انت دائما بتاخذ الكومن فاكتورز وبتحط between براكت وبتنسى البراكت. دائما بتخلي عينك على البراكت يا استاذ لتشوف شو في بقلبه، شو صار في عندك inside it. اذا بتشوفوا last time كنا عم نعمل explanation للcommon factor الباينوميال، قلت لكم دائما طلعوا على الاوبتيند باينوميال اللي عم يطلع عندكم جوا، بدك تعملوا له reducing اوكي وتخلصوه تظبطوا لهم الشيب، وميبي تلاقي في بينهم بقلبهم شو بعد common factor if you remember. صح؟ كلنا فهمنا؟
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Finally the last one in exercise 3. Part 6. 6x squared y minus 18 xy squared plus
هون عندنا
6xy.
6 بالcoefficient.
الcoefficient 6 بالvariable we have xy بالvariables. Sorry. So 6x squared y, take 6 from x squared, take x, so we still have x, y and y taken, so ما عادش ضل في عندي شيء, minus. Now what is the number multiplied by 6 gives 18? It's a 3. Still have y. 6xy, all of it taken. شفتوها؟ شو بنحط محلها؟ plus what? 1. Okay, so this is everything about exercise 3. So مثل ما بلشنا beginning of the period قلت لكم انه بنحل 1 2 and 3 وهينا خلصناهم. You can stop the record, Nizar.